Welcome to Transtar. In this video, we're going to take a quick look at Transtar's 2-in-1 Trim Black. It's a high-performance coating designed to match the appearance and quality of original finishes on automotive trim parts. Trim Black is featured on a range of automotive components and parts, from grills and bumpers, windshield arms, side view mirror housings, to accent trim and more. Transtar's 2-in-1 Trim Black restores faded and flaking or bare trim parts to their original factory appearance. Transtar's 2-in-1 technology means the Trim Black will work on a range of metal and plastic surfaces, from bare steel, galvanized or aluminum, to SMC and raw plastics, both flexible and rigid. It also works on e-coat and existing OEM and aftermarket finishes. 2-in-1 Trim Black requires no priming. It also has a unique spray tip that is fully adjustable. You can orient the spray fan from a horizontal to vertical position to accommodate any job. One of the most critical features of any coating is adhesion. 2-in-1 Trim Black sticks to metal substrates and to plastic. Transtar 2-in-1 Trim Black is available in 3 gloss levels: matte, satin, and gloss. It dries quickly too. Apply 2 to 3 light coats. Allow a 5 to 10 minute flash between coats. 2-in-1 Trim Black will be dry to the touch in an hour or less. With a 15-ounce fill weight, you get more usable material per can. Ready for Transtar 2-in-1 OEM quality Trim Black? Visit gettranstar.com to find a distributor.